Good afternoon. Welcome back to Experts.com files. I'm Nick Rishwain from Experts.com. Today we're talking about the stolen funds bank account case. This is an issue where the bank employee was stealing funds from a bunch of different accounts, and an attorney for one of those injured parties reached out to us looking for an expert. In this particular instance, the injured party or the plaintiff, you guys are always selecting plaintiff's cases, but in this case, the plaintiff had more than $100,000 stolen out of their account. Now, this was a business account, in case you're wondering, how did they not notice it? I know it's a little weird they didn't notice it, but if it's one of those business accounts that does quite a bit of debits and credits, some of that would be harder to follow if you're not regularly reconciling your accounts. Now, the attorney had asked for a damages expert, not a banking expert. And the damages expert, because in addition to the stolen funds of $100,000, what happened is this property owner was unable to pay their property taxes on a piece of property, and the city foreclosed on that property, so they lost the property, any future commercial uses of that property, in addition to the $100,000+ that was stolen out of the bank account, and any other costs that may have been associated with losing this property or plans to develop the property. So the costs were fairly significant. These were all the downstream effects of the theft, and that is what the attorney had asked Experts.com to do, was to find this damages expert so they could establish what all of those costs are. And that's the bank account stolen funds case. Stay tuned. We'll have 4 more cases for you to choose from later in the week.